Welcome to this video on the history, benefits, and uses of nutmeg. Nutmeg is a popular spice that has been used in many cultures for centuries. It is derived from the seed of the nutmeg tree, which is native to the Moluccas or Spice Islands of Indonesia. Nutmeg is widely used in cooking, baking, and as a medicinal herb. In this video, we will explore the many benefits of nutmeg, its culinary uses, and the historical significance of this spice. Historical significance of nutmeg. Nutmeg has been used for centuries by many cultures. The Arabs and the Greeks used it for its medicinal properties, while the Romans used it as a perfume. In the 11th century, nutmeg became highly valued in Europe and was known as a luxury item. Nutmeg became so valuable that it was used as a form of currency, and traders would go to great lengths to obtain it. The Dutch were the first to establish a monopoly on nutmeg, and it was during this time that the Spice Islands became known as the Nutmeg Islands. Nutmeg production. Today, nutmeg is grown in many countries, including Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, and the Caribbean. The nutmeg tree produces both nutmeg and mace, which is the outer covering of the nutmeg seed. The nutmeg tree takes 7 to 9 years to mature and produces fruit twice a year. The fruit is a small, yellow, apricot-like fruit that contains the nutmeg seed. The nutmeg seed is dried and then ground to produce the nutmeg spice. Health benefits of nutmeg. Nutmeg has many health benefits, which include aids in digestion. Nutmeg has been used as a digestive aid for centuries. It helps to reduce bloating, gas, and constipation. Boosts brain function. Nutmeg contains a compound called myristicin, which has been shown to improve brain function and memory. Anti-inflammatory properties. Nutmeg has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. Pain relief. Nutmeg has been used as a natural pain reliever for centuries. It can help relieve headaches, menstrual cramps, and joint pain. Culinary uses of nutmeg. Nutmeg is a popular spice in cooking and baking. It is used in many sweet and savory dishes, including baked goods. Nutmeg is a popular spice in baked goods, such as pumpkin pie, apple pie, and banana bread. Soups and stews. Nutmeg is used in many soups and stews to add flavor and depth. Pasta dishes. Nutmeg is used in many pasta dishes, such as macaroni and cheese, to add flavor. Beverages. Nutmeg is used in many beverages, such as eggnog and chai tea, to add flavor and aroma. Precautions when using nutmeg. While nutmeg has many health benefits, it should be used in moderation. Nutmeg contains a compound called myristicin, which in large doses can be toxic. Consuming too much nutmeg can cause nausea, vomiting, and hallucinations. It is recommended that adults consume no more than 2 teaspoons of nutmeg per day. In conclusion, nutmeg is a spice that has been used for centuries by many cultures for its medicinal properties and culinary uses. It has many health benefits, including aiding in digestion, boosting brain function, and reducing inflammation. Nutmeg is a popular spice in cooking and baking, and it should be used in moderation due to its potential toxicity. Thank you for watching this video on the history, benefits, and uses of nutmeg. We hope you learned something new and interesting about this amazing spice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining content. And make sure to turn on the post notification bell so you never miss a new video. Once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.